My name is Iyabo Seriki Bello. I represent the Ministry of Wealth Creation and Employment in Lagos State. By designation, I'm a Director, Admin and HR, that is Administration and Human Resources. And my department in the ministry is the Employment Department. What we do in the Employment Department is to bridge the gap between the skills that our youth need in the job market and what they learned in school. They learned academics in school, wherever there are these soft skills that are needed to excel in the workplace. So that is what we give to them. Well, the link between what we do here and the Ready for Work is that the youth are out of the, not even only tertiary institutions, they finish from schools and they are looking for jobs. And they are not really ready for the jobs. Because when they go into employment, it is not only what they learned in school that will be expected for them to perform while in the workplace. There are these soft skills that are needed to excel in the workplace. So those are the skills that we impart on them to be able to fit it into the labor market. And the rethinking talent, we also discovered that our youth, when they come out of schools, when they finish from schools, they are always looking for paid employment. But we want to, at least not to place too much emphasis on academic qualifications. We want our youth to develop their inherent talents, so that when they come out from, when they finish from schools, they will not need to be looking for paid employment, and they themselves can be employers of labor. The learning outcomes, one is that we have to restructure our educational curriculum. And two, we have also to place so much emphasis on learning entrepreneurial skills right from the basics in school. Restructuring the curriculum, we have to, like I said, have entrepreneurial skills developed and being taught in school, while in school, from the basics, so that our youth will be able to appreciate being employers of labor right from the basics, so that when they graduate from schools, they are not after paid employment. So they can be employers of labor and also contribute to the economic development by, when we have employers of labor, we'll have at least job openings, so many in the society, and by that we have youth being placed on gainful employment, have incomes. They'll be able to contribute to the IGR of the state or of the nation. By that we have economic growth and less social crises and all that. Well, my parting shot is that I want to advocate that our parents, they should encourage our youth to learn skills, or to learn technical and vocational skills, and place less emphasis on academic qualification, because I think that is what will help them the most when they grow up and looking for jobs. Because, like for example, some people that are out of jobs now because of maybe for the pandemic that had plagued the whole world, if they have a skill, they'll be able to do something on their own and earn income, even out of paid employment. So we should encourage our youth to learn skills.